Yo, what's up? Just arrived to the old town in Jakarta. I wanna show you today a little bit. However, a little bit messed up. I get lost. I'm not sure where is it. It's super windy. It's gonna be rainy. I hope so. I'm not gonna get caught. This is the Museum of Bank of Indonesia. And well, I'm gonna show you a little bit around of the old town today, and also wanna go to the beach. I hope so the weather gonna be okay. And here we go, just start talking about that, and it's big rain. So I need to catch the somewhere. The cover here is actually covered, but I wanna go to the small street. We will see here some vendors, sellers trying to sell something. Well, the car need to get some shade because it's rain in Jakarta. While waiting when the rain gonna finish, I just gonna quickly tell you, as the old area of Old Town is historically looks like a Dutch styles, colony style, because obviously that was the one of the oldest parts of Jakarta. So here is also some screening of temperature, I think. All right, it's just a little bit rainy. It's summer rain in Jakarta. In Indonesia, it's always summer, so should be fine. Here is like everywhere there are some historical things, museums and stuff like this, but obviously seems like not much interest. Also, it's already 5:30 p.m. So looks like this. There are some also nice cafes. There are only two visitors here except me. These two boys ask me for pictures. This is the Museum of History of Jakarta, and well, obviously this is the one of the top 5 attractions in Jakarta, but seems like, I know it's rainy, I know it's afternoon, but seriously guys, nobody is here. And the huge land, this is like a place around. Also behind me is the Batavia Cafe, a very famous place. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go there, however it's gonna be rainy for sure. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I don't know, to compare to yesterday when I was in the peak, obviously the beachside, Sunday, modern things, but here is nothing is here. I mean, it's very quiet, but looks pretty nice. Anyway, I hope so you're not getting bored watching this. Either you like Jakarta or not, this is the piece of history. Also, if you are Dutch, was the Dutch New Indies long time ago, and that was the capital city also, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna show you a little bit more around, and then we're gonna change the location. Batavia Cafe, I heard it's nice, but I'm not sure even if it's open. Maybe inside only, because it's going to be really not the best weather and the last shot of the situation here. Well, this is old town, but to compare to many other old towns in different cities, here is super deserted, quiet for some reason. Yeah, we will see what is over there. Some very old building, Indomaret and All American, and some tourists. Also, this is the area, green zone area. The cars, motorbikes are not allowed here, but in general, not many people around. Yeah, it's quite similar actually to Denpasar, old town in Denpasar. Very similar style, but obviously different. But yeah, that's how it looks. And here is the also river, and you can walk down there. But it's rainy, little bit rainy. So there's the river, there's the promenade, old building, piece of history anyway. Some warungs. There is you can walk down there on the river, on this thingy, but I think I'm not interested. Anyway, it's rainy, so I need to walk close to the palm trees, and also over there is something. I wanna go there. Here is some statue. There was some street, Bahtera Adigusa Diguana, Jasara Hajira, difficult names. Anyway, it seems like, I believe there was some restaurants, and this is the old historical walk here. Magic Art 3D Museum. There are some also youngsters walking, and also here is something. Okay, that's how it looks, the old town in Jakarta. Also, last shot of the river and this building at the front. Not sure what is it. Looks like this. Maybe because it's the weather not good, or maybe it's like that. I'm gonna With this accent of the old town, I decided I'm gonna change the location into point B or plan B and see you there now. And also here is really nice looking Hotel Mercure in Jakarta. Seems like this is very old hotel, looking very nice from outside. Right, and change location and I'm on the beach. Well, there is the beautiful bridge, looks very nice, like a wood, and you can walk around on the water. There are a few restaurants and this is obviously the public beach here. However, you have to pay for the ticket, 25k per person and 25 for the parking. If you drive by Grab, you have to cover the fees also. There's the condo and that's how it looks, the entrance to this promenade, molo, or whatever you call this. We will see. Some local people enjoying their time. I think there at the front is the many ships, and here are some small boats, probably some local cruise tours, something like this. That says looks like Jakarta city in the background, and this huge condo here. There is even one restaurant, it's called Columbus, and you can see the menu with the prices. Oops, plastic bottle. Seems even not that expensive, even coffee is quite cheap, but I think I'm gonna choose this one today. Meanwhile, that's how it looks at Monday. If we are comparing to the life of yesterday, definitely very quiet. But well, this is obviously big city life. Jakarta is the huge city. It's not like in Bali, so the people going out usually mostly on weekends. Even in Bali on Sunday is quite busy. But yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm definitely only the one foreigner here, but that's actually nothing really new. We will see what is going on here. Little bit of the photo session. And that's how it looks like. There is the harbor industry, like I was thinking. The little boat, and somebody have a nice wee yacht also, not so bad. Yo, what's up, Kato? No doggos, but katos here. I think I'm gonna have some coffee or lunch here. Even looks nice, pretty quiet, so should be fine. And that's how it looks like. Probably we will see how it's gonna look here at night. So having a Radler, they even have it, and Sayang, all the screen. Honey, you cannot hear her, but yeah, that's how it looks like. It's going to be dark already. Well, it's pretty actually nice. This is a little bit like a city life. My fish and chip arrived. Here is the price if you're interested, how much it costs here in Jakarta. And that's how it looks like at night. Really pretty nice vibes here, but quiet. Well, that's how it looks, the area over here at night. Pretty nice for the afternoon, late afternoon walk. Lunch was okay, not so bad. Well, I hope these vlogs are not too boring for you guys. But well, I have to stay longer in Jakarta because of, you know what, this test and stuff like this. So I wanna show you a little bit around, and I hope I'm gonna get a Grab to go home because I don't know. I'm a little bit stressful because it's closed area here, and if not, that will be a big problem. And at night it actually looks better than during the daytime. Alright guys, I got my Grab. He gonna come here, so I'm already calm. Gonna go to the hotel. I hope so you enjoyed today's my trip in Jakarta. Tomorrow is another day. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care guys.